Today we're going to be talking about how to make a great LinkedIn profile so that you can start getting clients from LinkedIn simply from your profile in 2023. You know, your social media profile is the first stop that people make when they are exploring you and your service. They go to your profile because they want to check you out. They want to see what you're all about, what kind of things you're doing, what you look like, what you say, how you act. And it's your profile that is the doorstep. It's the threshold to someone getting to know more about you and wanting to work with you. So it's surprising to me when people don't spend time optimizing their profiles. Because if this is truly the welcome mat to working with you on social media, you should optimize every single aspect of your social media profile. And today, we're going to be talking about your LinkedIn profile and how you can optimize it so that you can start getting clients from LinkedIn as we move into 2023. For those of you who don't know me, it's Prouty, and for the last 21 years, I have had thousands of paying clients that I've worked with to teach them how to use social media to attract clients to their businesses, but not in a way like you might think. If you are new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get alerts every time I create new content like this. Look, there are going to be changes to social media in 2023. There were in 2022. There are going to be changes every single year, and it's not necessarily a calendar year where somebody says, LinkedIn says, I'm going to use 2023 to make all these changes. Changes just happen naturally. So we can expect to see changes to the platform, but one thing that we can say that will not change is that you're going to have a presence on the platform. And part of having a presence is having a profile. And part of having a profile is optimizing that profile. So I want to share 5 things that you can start doing right now to optimize that profile. But before I get to that, if you are serious about using social media to grow your business, I have a free workshop that I would love for you to attend. It's on demand, and all you have to do is go to proutyclass.com. Annotations right here on the screen. Just go to proutyclass.com and you can take that free workshop to learn about attracting more clients to your business from social media. It's the same strategy that I use. My clients come to me because they want to have an online presence that sends a predictable flow of prospects to their businesses. And we unlock very specific strategies that show them how to do that in as little time as possible. Because even though they've been able to get a little bit of visibility on social media, they don't have the visibility that they've been seeking. So we fix that with simple strategies like the ones that you can learn about at proutyclass.com. So let's talk about the 5 things on LinkedIn that you can start to optimize right away to start attracting clients and getting clients from LinkedIn. And the very first thing that I would like you to consider optimizing is your profile photo. A profile photo is the very first thing people are going to see because people are going to explore you when they explore you and who you are when they see your content floating around LinkedIn, and your content is always attached to your profile photo. So having a profile photo of you that expresses you for who you are is going to be the most authentic way to get people attracted to you and to your service. So some recommendations I would make: a professional photo, especially on a professional platform. LinkedIn is a great idea. Having a photo that is you, is your face from about here up or here up is gonna work very well for you because these things are rather small. Having a full body shot, standing far away, not gonna work out so well for you because people aren't gonna be able to attach an emotion to you by looking at you. And as I say that, it's probably worth smiling if you can. I don't know if I'm really smiling in mine as much as I should. Some people say I should smile more, maybe I will. But you communicate a lot with the expression that you have on your face. So no sunglasses. If you don't wear a hat all the time, probably don't wear a hat in your photo. And my biggest pet peeve that I will share with you is the on the phone profile shot. Look, we get it. You talk on the phone, you take people's phone calls. Great. If you're so busy that you can't get off the phone for a quick photograph for LinkedIn, you're probably too busy to talk to me, and I'm probably not going to reach out to you. So put the phone down. We get it. That we can send that right back to 1999 when that was fun. You don't have to do that anymore. So just have a great profile photo. The number 2 element that I would like you to optimize is your LinkedIn banner. This is what appears at the very top of your profile page. Your banner is a great space to showcase what you do for your clients. But I want to give you a quick word of caution. Don't turn it into an ad. I have some clients that have been put in LinkedIn jail because their banner looked too much like an ad. So my recommendation there is have a great picture on your banner, and have some text that talks about the transformation that you offer, but don't make it too salesy. Okay, so we've got your photograph covered, your headshot, we've got your banner covered. The number 3 area that I want you to optimize is your headline. So let's think differently than what most people do with their headlines. Most people take their headline and they put their title and their company there, even if they're entrepreneurs or business owners. Well, that information appears just below the top part of your LinkedIn profile as your job. Your job title and your company are going to be right there. There's no need to repeat that. Let's use our headline for something completely different. Let's take our headline and write a statement that showcases the transformation that we can give to our clients. It stands to reason that if every step of the way people are seeing that you can offer them a transformation, you're talking about the outcome of the service that you provide to them, the solution that they're seeking, they're going to be taking steps closer and closer to us. So take that headline and do something a little bit different with it. Talk about the transformation that you offer. Then when you move on to your summary, this is where you can tell the story of you. Your summary is long form content, and I always recommend writing it like a story. Write the story of how you got to where you are and why you're so inspired to do what you do. Write it in an entertaining and educational way. People love to be entertained. So try to be entertaining in your summary and really expand upon what it is that you do, always talking about that transformation. Your summary is also a really good place to make the offer for someone to get a hold of you. Talk to them about what it is that you're offering. Maybe it's a lead magnet, free class, a video, whatever. That's a great place to make that offer. Hey, while I'm thinking of it, I have a free on-demand workshop that I would love for you to attend. If you're having a great time learning the stuff I'm talking about right now, you're really going to love this class. All you have to do is go to proutyclass.com. Prouty's my last name, class is what you're going to take.com. That keeps me online, and you'll be able to attend this free workshop. I had so much fun making it, and I really think you're going to have a great time in there learning more than what I can teach you in a very short time like this. And then number 5, the thing that I would like you to consider optimizing is your LinkedIn cover video. This is a short video. It's about 30 seconds long, and not about 30 seconds, it is 30 seconds long or less, that shows up behind your profile photo. Your LinkedIn cover video is your chance to spend 30 seconds pitching to anyone who comes to your profile. And your LinkedIn cover video is your face, it's your voice, it's you explaining what you do to those who are looking to learn more about you and what you do. It is a great way to showcase your service or your product right there in video, right on your LinkedIn profile. Every single one of you can create a LinkedIn profile video. In fact, I made a tutorial on step-by-step how to create a LinkedIn cover video. I'm going to put an annotation at the top of this video right now that is going to show you, it's a link that you can click to go and check out that tutorial on how to make a LinkedIn cover video. And these are the things that are really going to amplify your effectiveness on LinkedIn. You know, I'll tell you a quick story before I give you the one tip that I think will have the most impact for you. And that story is about me and my experience on LinkedIn. One of the things that I noticed is that when I took the time to optimize all of these building blocks, they all started to work together to amplify my visibility and the number of people who were coming to me looking for my service. And it wasn't until I considered every single building block that that really started to happen. So what I would encourage you to do is focus on all of those building blocks. Take that advice and optimize that profile. Do it now before 2023 rolls around so that you are prepared in advance. If I were asked to give you one tip that's going to have the greatest impact for you, it would be this. Move away from the I help language about what you do, and instead move towards the transformation that you offer type language. The I help language is tired. It's overused and it's starting to become white noise in marketing. If you look around LinkedIn, you can see it everywhere. I help, name of the industry, to name of the solution. We see it in so many places, and it starts with the word I, and it really is an invitation to stop paying attention. Move away from I help and move towards transformational type statements. Talk about the outcomes that people get. Talk about the solution that you offer. Talk about how you can remove the fears that they have of working with someone to solve the problem that they're so desperately trying to get solved. When you're able to do that, you're going to stand out well above the I help people. So give that a try, and I think it's going to have a really big impact on you. And if you want to have an even bigger impact through your social media, please go to proutyclass.com and sign up for this free workshop that I have created for you. Please, because I created this thing just for people like you. You've been here in this video all this time. I know you're serious about using social media to grow your business. So go to proutyclass.com and take that free workshop. You're going to have a great time. I promise you that. While everything that I've taught you just now is important, it might not be the only thing that you need, which is why I'm going to put a link for another video right here for you to check out right now that's going to help you attract even more clients into your business. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I create new content like this.